pointer and memory check into the C sharp. Usage of pointers in the C sharp is a unsafe code. If you try to create it, a pointer, it will show the error. So if I declare this int a equals to 10 into C sharp code, and if I create a pointer for pointing to this a integer a, then see how it is giving me the error int star and this a ptr equals to ampersand a. So this address I want to point, which is this a, where this a stored, I want to see. So see, but now this is giving the error. The pointer and the fixed size buffers may use only in the unsafe context. So I have to cover this code with the unsafe keyword. So here I need to put unsafe keyword, and that needs to be covered, or the code whatever I'm writing in this related to the pointer, I need to cover with the unsafe. So I can move this code into the unsafe. Now the error gone from this code which is written related to the pointer, but now this unsafe keyword is giving the error because whatever the project we created is not checked for the unsafe compilation. So this, to allow this unsafe keyword, we have to allow this one from the project setting. We can resolve this error from allowing unsafe code by using shortcut, or we can go into this project, right click and the properties, and from here in the build you can just check this allow unsafe code. Just click here. So once I save this setting, then see immediately this error from this unsafe keyword gone. Now this will make this startup project which we are running now. So now if I run this one, then the here will be address. I can see here in the runtime as well. If I just run it with the debug mode, and I just put mark this breakpoint here because I want to see the value at this pointer what it is showing. So now see, in the debugging mode I'm running it, this definitely this value is which is getting stored to the memory is a equals to 10, because we have this store this value that is a 10. We can see here I just pin this values to check and see this pointer should point. As of now this is a null pointer, so 0x and this 000, this hexadecimal whatever the number which is there, so it is showing like this. Once I execute this line number 10, where we have declared and initialized this pointer with the address of a, this ampersand. So now this C ampersand a is showing is this address value, that is 0x0076f4b8. So this is a hexadecimal address, and in this address this is the value, that is a 10 got stored. You can see like this is the pointer where it's pointing. Once this executed, this pointer also will be initialized with this value whatever we have storing it. So this way this value gets stored. If we want to see this value in integer, that also we can see by typecasting this value of whichever this string, we can just convert it into integer and we can see. For printing it, we can just convert this value, it's console.writeLine, and this is the address of a, and this address of a we can just put into this types casting of integer, and this is a ptr. Simply we can put it, and this will be printed on the console right line. I'll just make this console read to see the output on the screen. So if you run this one, you can see this value of a pointer a. So this is the address of a, we can see it here. Now one more thing we can see from this program additionally. If we have one more variable, that is integer b equals to 20, and if we create a pointer for this 20 as well, that is int star, and this is a b pointer equals to ampersand b. So here we can see this pointer address, that's address of a b as well. I'm just copying this the same line of a console right line, and this is a b, and here I can just check with the value of a b, so where this is getting stored and what is the value of it. Now for storing this one, we know this variable is getting stored, the value the memory address is getting assigned from the stack. So highest stack value will be for this int a. For example, this is something, highest value is something 2000, and this will be the lowest from this one. So 199 and this will be 6. So there should be difference of a 4 because this integer takes a 4 bytes to store and this another integer 4 bytes. So there will be a memory address will be the 4 bytes of a difference. So now at runtime we'll see how it is showing. Now if you see the output of this one, so here address of A is, if you consider only last 3 digit or a 4 digit of this memory address, you can see the address of A is, let's say this is 600 and this is 596. So there is a difference of 4 bytes.